Hello Cancer, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star, and welcome to your reading. So Cancer, this is your reading for the month of September 2021, and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. Okay, also Cancer, I would appreciate if you would hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below if you find yourself getting resonated with this reading. I would also request you to hit that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the videos. Cancer, this reading is divided into three parts. We'll see your love life, then we'll see your career, your finances, and at the end we'll see, or rather we'll pull out some affirmations for you. When it comes to your love life, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a couple of cards on the left and they will represent your past energy. Then I'm going to place a couple of cards in the center and they will represent your present energy. On the right, they will represent your future energy, okay? Then I'm going to pull out some tarot cards from another deck and they will see what is the advice regarding your finances and career. Then I'm going to pull out some affirmations. Okay, alrighty, let's get started. Cancer, what is going on with your love life? Cancer, what is going on with your love life? Spirits, please tell me what is going on with Cancer's love life. Spirits, please tell me what is going on with Cancer's love life. Spirits, please tell me what is going on with Cancer's love life. So for the past is what we have: Eight of Wands, then we have his King of Cups, we have his Three of Cups, okay. For the present we have his Three of Pentacles, then we have his High Priestess, we have his Five of Wands, the Star for the future, Two of Pentacles, and Ten of Pentacles. Okay. Looks like water signs are heading in the direction of a strong long-term relationship. Cancer, you may be dealing with an Aquarius, you may be dealing with Pisces, another Cancer, you may be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sag. If the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the sign. So for the past, we have his Eight of Wands, then we have his Queen of Cups, and we have his Three of Cups. Look, as far as the past is concerned, what I see is probably someone wanted to initiate a communication, either your person or you wanted to initiate a communication with your person, but ultimately the communication did not happen because most likely, Cancer, you did not allow that communication to happen, or even if the communication may have got initiated by your person, but you did not respond, or there was a very minimal response from your end. Okay, so there's this energy where either you blocked this person, you became inaccessible, or you did not show much interest in communicating with this person. Okay, the reason why you disconnected from this person or you blocked them was probably, first of all, you were trying to protect your energy. Secondly, you were trying to heal yourself, Cancer. Okay, you were trying to divert that love towards yourself, so you were making some conscious efforts probably to heal yourself or to divert your attention somewhere else. Maybe you were probably hanging out with your friends, or you increased your socialization, or you increased your focus on your work, or you started taking care of yourself, like you became very particular about your monthly spa schedules or whatever it is. You joined a gym or whatever. I see you were trying to preserve your energy for yourself, you were taking care of yourself, you were trying to divert your attention from your person. Okay, so some conscious efforts were being taken, and the ultimate goal was to heal yourself, and you did not want it to disturb this process by interacting with your past person, by again exchanging energy with your past person, because you had already started this process of removing their energy from your aura or from your mind, body and soul. Okay, so by again going back or again interacting with them, you did not wanted that like their energy intermingling with your energy. Okay, so as far as the present is concerned, we have Three of Pentacles. We have is, this is more or less like Pisces, this reading. Three of Pentacles, and we have is we have is High Priestess, and Five of Wands, right? So Pisces, sorry, so Cancer, what I see is you must go and see Pisces reading probably. Cancer, right? So you, as of now, it's not just about you working on yourself, but you're also working on your money, your finances, and probably the spiritual awakening process has started, or you have started realizing that you have some amazing psychic abilities. You have been gifted with some amazing psychic abilities, and either you're thinking how to put these psychic abilities to use so that these abilities can benefit you, or you want to do something related to, you know, you want to use these benefit, you want to use these psychic abilities for the benefit of others. So with that High Priestess, you may want to do something that will really benefit others. Like, say for example, you want to become a tarot card reader, or you want to become a psychic, or you want to become a healer. Okay, so you know that you have something, or you have recently discovered that you have something, and then now that you know that you have something, you want to utilize it either for your own benefit, or for the benefit of public at large. Okay, so of course right now your past person is absolutely not on your mind. Okay, rather you're, I mean, like, they are not out of your mind, but they are definitely not a priority. Your priority is your money. You may have some business ideas, and you have some big plans for yourself, because Three of Pentacles also represents like building something strong. Okay, joining partnership with someone, but this is something related to money, right? You may want to build an empire for yourself. Okay, some of you are planning to uh, build a spiritual empire. You want to get into a spiritual business, and you want to build an empire out of that probably. Okay, so because you have realized that whatever spiritual abilities or psychic abilities you have, you are really good at that. Okay, and so it's not just about doing things for yourself, but you also want to help people with that. Okay, but at the same time, I also see some lot of success coming your way. Maybe you're discussing these ideas with someone, but you may be opposed. You may receive opposition from someone, is what I'm hearing. Okay, with that Five of Wands. If you want to do something, just go ahead and do that. Yeah, just go ahead and do that, Cancer. Look, whatever you're thinking, you are on the right path. You don't have to seek opinion from others, or at least don't seek opinion from wrong people. People who will never understand you. Don't try and seek opinion from them. Okay? For the future, we have is Star, we have is Two of Pentacles and Ten of Pentacles. I told you, right? You will experience a lot of success in whatever you're doing. Maybe you're also changing careers, and all of a sudden it's a calling for you, Cancer, that this is you need to do. You need to quit your 9 to 5 job, and you need to do something for your own. There is a calling that you are listening to. Okay, you are listening, you're calling, and what I see is that you will rise to name and fame, or at least you will receive some good amount of success your way, and that success, whatever is going to happen in the near future, it is going to impact you very positively. Okay, there will be an inner glow. I see a lot of happiness inside you, the kind of happiness I see you feeling proud about yourself, Cancer. Okay, people will start noticing you, and that's how your next person is going to enter in your life. Okay, you will be the highlight. You are going to be the highlight. You are going to throw out a kind of an energy which will sort of attract many souls in your way. Okay, and someone just like you, Cancer, someone who is vibrating at your energy, at your level, is going to enter in your life. I'm sensing a twin flame energy. And let me tell you that not all twin flame relationships are bad. Okay, like in not in all the twin flame relationships there is this runner or a chaser situation. In fact, many a times both the twin flames are also highly awakened souls, and they coming together, like literally, what shall I say, they coming together will illuminate the entire world, or they will help people. They will become a powerful couple. They will help people grow. Okay, with the 10 of Pentacles, yes, you will find someone, you'll find the next person through work. Okay, and you'll find this person when you are at a stage in your life where you're feeling extremely successful. Look, the definition of success differs from person to person, so that word is very subjective. The definition of success will be different for you, it will be different for me, it will be different for someone else. So as per your own definition of success, when you think that you are successful, you are satisfied and content in your life, at that point of time this new person is going to enter in your life. Okay, and you're going to become very busy. You're going to become very busy, Cancer. So let's see now, what is your advice when it comes to your money, your career, your finances? We have his Queen of Wands, we have his Four of Pentacles, and we have his Six of Swords, then Queen of Swords, and we have his Ace of Wands. Okay. First of all, do things. It's time that you start doing things which make you really happy, and things about which you are extremely passionate. Okay, I don't see you are in an I don't see, even if you're doing a 9 to 5 job right now, Cancer, I don't see you are staying in that situation for long. Maybe now or maybe sometime later you will take a decision to quit the 9 to 5 job and get into entrepreneurship. Yeah, you may say right now I'm doing extremely good in my job, I'm doing extremely well in my professional life, but I see over a period of time, maybe in another 2 years or max to max in next 5 years, you are going to step out of your job situation and you'll start something of your own, because you want to be the boss of your own life. Okay, you want to run your life as per your terms and conditions, and you don't want to work for someone else now. You know that you are talented enough, you know that you have that guts, you know that you have those resources, and you will take that decision. Okay, I see some work related travel happening. I see some. Spend your money wisely. Okay, spend your money wisely. You are going to need some money for next for nearby expenses, so don't make some unnecessary big expenses. Okay, so spend money wisely. And right, so let's pull out some affirmations now. Let's pull out some affirmations. Let's pull out some affirmations. When I am tuned into the energy of abundance, I become abundant. When I cultivate a spiritual connection, I can trust the universe no matter what. Instead of working about the future, I know all is well when I'm aligned in the moment. Okay? This is a bigger one, bigger affirmation, so that's why I'm holding on to the screen. Pause the screen if you want to. Okay? Alright, I hope this resonates. Hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below. Till then, bye bye.